The way it is Kling 3.0 just dropped. This is the most advanced AI video model with unlimited generation and 70% off on premium plan. You can generate any characters, presets, sounds. You can create multi-languagely emotional videos.
¿Ya está disponible? Just calm down.
One keyframe and consistent story. Reach any scene from anywhere. Kling 3.0 get the best video model on the Higgsfield. And this is Kling 3.0 and it just changed how AI videos are made. We are talking multi-shot generation, native audio, consistent characters and up to 15 seconds of cinematic video in a single run. In this video, I will show you a full on-screen workflow inside Higgsfield and explain why Kling 3.0 might be the most powerful AI video model right now. First of all, open Higgsfield.ai homepage. You can go through Higgsfield AI from link in the description, and Higgsfield is built to be creator friendly. Everything happens in one place. And Kling 3.0 is now live here as state of the art video engine designed for professional production work. Now let's go to Kling 3.0 page. This is Kling 3.0 inside Higgsfield. Unlike older models, Kling 3.0 is trained as a unified multi-model system. That means text, images, references, motion and audio all work together inside a single model. From the model section, you can select Kling 3.0 and also there are multiple models here. From Kling, you can select Kling 3.0, you can select Kling 3.0 on Omni and Omni edits. For now, we use Kling 3.0. In Kling 3.0, we can add start frame and end frame. We can here describe our video, what we want to make a video on. And we can create video duration up to 15 seconds. You can also select the ratio, aspect ratio for your videos with resolution of 180p. In Kling 3.0, the feature they give you is a multi-shot features. Here you can create a shot 1, shot 2 and shot 3, shot 4, up to 15 seconds. You can create your multiple shots. Shot 1 you can describe your first scene, then scene 2, scene 3 and scene 4 and scene 5. So this is Kling 3.0. Let's try to create a video. Now let's try to create a accident in a racing car contest with multi-shot cinematic sequences. Let's create a shot 1 as low angle tracking shot following racing supercars at extreme speed on a racetrack. Then shot 2 should be side camera shows one car drifting out of control while overtaking. Then shot 3 is close collision shot as cars crash into each other with sparks and flying debris. Shot 4 is a slow motion impact moment with a shattered glass and a twisted metal. Shot 5 should be a wide aerial shot showing explosion smoke and wrecked cars across track. We selected already selected Kling 3.0 with ratio 16:9 and resolution is 180. Let's generate. And here is the output. If you also want to create videos like this, then go check that Higgsfield AI website, link in the description, and get the Kling 3.0 unlimited access with their ultimate plan and creator plan with 70% off on both of it. The ultimate plan you can get it at $24.5 and creator plan you can get at $75. In ultimate plan you can get exclusive unlimited offer on Kling 3.0, Kling 3.0 Omni and Nano Banana Pro with access to all models, concurrent up to 4 videos, 8 images and 3 characters with access to all features, with early access to advanced AI features and cinematic bundles. You can get unlimited access to image generation, Nano Banana, Flux 2, Lex, Seed Dream 4.5 and Minimax Hero 2.3 Fast and Nano Banana Pro. With creator plan at $75, you get 6,000 credit per month, 365 unlimited Nano Banana Pro with exclusive unlimited offer with Kling 3.0, Kling 3.0 Mini, Nano Banana Pro, all included in the ultimate. And also you can get a cinematic bundle, lowest cost per credit, 15% off on credits, one more unlimited model with all Seedens 1.5 Pro included. Go grab this, the most advanced AI model on the internet. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Higgs, drop it! Drop it now!
Yes, sir.